So like on your podcast, brief us a little bit about what is the goal of the podcast, and then share with us, because of that goal, why do you ask certain questions on your interviews, for example?
So the goal of the podcast, so from my background, like we we're talking about before, I was with a firm where my team raised over $1.5 billion. And that was because we had, a 9 to 10 figure marketing budget. So our name could be blasted out there. Our product was blasted out there. We had huge networking events with different firms that, you could network and meet people to further get our products out there. So I knew I needed that to get my company brand out there, get my name out there, get what I offer out there. And I don't have 9, 10 figures to do that. So the maybe one day, guys. But I needed to get my name and my message out there. And I talked to a lot of successful people that I want to emulate one day. And they all said podcasts. So I knew that's the way I had to go. Because for someone starting out, it's the most cost-effective way to do it. And it's also one of the fastest growing mediums on the planet. People love listening to podcasts. I love listening to podcasts. So I knew it would be a great place to start. And so the purpose of it is, to get the message out for Greenbrier, to find investors, because that's an organic way to do it, because they're going to listen to me. They're going to get to know me. They're going to get to like me, and then eventually trust me and want to invest with me. And that'll give me investors that will stick with me for their whole investing career. And so that's what I really want. I want to be able to establish, long beneficial relationships with people where not only am I helping them, grow for their retirement, but I'm also connecting them up with them on a personal level. And I think that's what the podcast will bring in. And then 2, it's also from a networking aspect, because for those of you that are listening that are in real estate and those that aren't, it's all about relationships, networking, and teaming with people. And no one goes at this. No one goes at this alone. So by interviewing people in the business, I can, grow relationships with them as well, and potentially partner with them or network, and we can all help each other out. And the whole purpose of it is to bring value, not only to the listeners, but to my guests as well.